Hi everyone, before I get on to it, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below and head over to my Patreon page to help support the channel. Well, today we're going to cook up some wild lettuce root. Right here, I have some wild lettuce root. Now, the parts of the root you want is the young parts. So here's a photo of what you're looking at of the old and the newer root structures. So the older parts of the root, so this can be on the same root. So the older will be, that's on the left of the photo, will be rough skinned and more bitter will be coming out of the skin of the roots of flavor. Now on the right side is a lighter, less bitterness coming from that, and it will be a little bit softer after cooking. More of like almost like a cooked carrot texture, or maybe if you cook it long enough, maybe mashed potatoes kind of texture. So what we're going to need is 2 cups of water, and you do not want to boil this, because if you boil it, it will release a lot of the nutrition into the water. You want to simmer it to release some of the bitters and stuff. Some of the nutrients will be released into the water. You can drink the water after to get the medicinal components from the root, or you can discard it. So you want to turn the stove on to medium. It's starting to fog up the glass. So that's about the temperature that you're looking at to add the root. So I'm going to show you, actually, I looked, and there's bubbles forming on the bottom. So this is what it looks like at the bottom of what the bubbles look like. It's now time to add the root in. And let this sit for a few minutes until it starts releasing all of the bitters. And when you have noticed, you can test the water. When the water starts tasting bitter, that's when the root is ready. The roots, when they are done, taste a lot better. Is you're going to need a little bit of butter in a pan, some salt and pepper. You want to turn the stove on to medium for the butter. Butter is melted. Now we need to take out the roots and put them straight in. You want to shake the roots off, make sure there's not too much water, and add them straight into the butter. You want to coat the roots thoroughly with the butter. At this point, you want to add some pepper and some salt. And mix thoroughly. And take off heat. Let's try it. It is not bitter at all. And with the butter, gives a great taste. I recommend doing this. Go find some wild lettuce and cook it up. So remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See you next time.